we're going to make a little house out of felt. I've considered using other materials. I've got this really nice sort of rough fabric which would make a nice roof, although it is quite a clashing colour. As we are hand sewing this, you need to consider whether your fabric will fray or not. And you can go very Christmassy and do a sort of gingerbread colour and decorate it with white embroidery, which would be like a gingerbread house. Or I think we're just going to go normal cottage, but we might add some snow. So I've got a dark brown felt here for the roof, got white for the snow, and I have this sort of pinky colour really, which I think I'm going to use for the walls. If the template came as 4 pieces along, I would probably leave it and then just sew one edge together, sort of folding it up. But because there's this section here, you need 2 pieces of it, I'm gonna cut them all separately. But if you want less sewing, I would put them all in a line. Also, I've got a square piece of fabric, not a rectangle, so I can't do that. So in terms of design, I think we might have some flowers and some plants coming up around the edge of the house at the bottom. Certainly some flowers around the door. Some little curtains and some lights glowing in the windows. And maybe some snow and maybe some details of tiles, roof tiles on the roof. house is finished, and this definitely turned into a mantelpiece decoration, or it could be a centerpiece on a table. You could have lots of little houses in a village. That would look really cute. I stuffed it quite a lot. I was hoping for sort of some rigidity, but if you view it from the side, it's pretty chunky. But it turned out well, I think. Not entirely happy with the snow, but then I wouldn't know, because of the window positioning, I wouldn't really know if I wanted it any lower down either, but I think it'll be okay. It is in line with the side pieces, which is what I needed. And the decoration on the front, very simple. So we've got some lights in the window, some little roses, and I did do a little Christmas wreath. You could go even more Christmassy. I was thinking about a Christmas tree to one side maybe, but actually I think this is enough for what I wanted. Quite straightforward. Let me know in the comments if you make any felt houses.